Mr. Chairman, I want to talk about some of the other issues which have ensued in this country and which actually make you question the logic or the whole purpose of how can you have people in power who do not understand even or do not take any responsibility for the weight that they carry as representatives of the state. When you come in the office of the Prime Minister, you cease to be Imran Khan or XYZ, and you become the Prime Minister of Pakistan. Everything you say cannot be I, myself, and Irene. But you are so self-obsessed that you think that you can give a policy statement on nuclear deterrence as I think. Do you know it's not I think? Nobody cares what Imran Khan thinks. But people do care a great deal as to what the Pakistan government's policy on nuclear deterrence is. And you think this is something to be played frivolously with? Mr. Chairman, I want to take the next few minutes to basically go over some of the grotesque wrongs that have happened in the last few years. Mr. Chairman, shall we start with a statement of the Honorable Foreign Minister, who finds it so difficult to call OBL what he is? मेरा आपसे ये सवाल है, क्योंकि ये लगता है कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों में ये शायद है, this issue of उसको हम मार्टर कहें कि ना कहें या कह सकते हैं कि नहीं कह सकते। भाई अगर अल-कायदा ने पाकिस्तान के सोल्जर्स को मारा, पाकिस्तान के पुलिसमैन को हलाक किया, शहीद किया, पाकिस्तान के बच्चों को मारा अल-कायदा ने, अल-कायदा का जो लीडर है उसको आप शहीद कहेंगे या पाकिस्तान के जवानों को शहीद कहेंगे? यू हैव अ चॉइस टू मेक। और आप शहजाद खानजादा के प्रोग्राम में कह रहे हैं, शाहजेब खानजादा, कि मुझसे मत खिलवाएंगे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, दिस इज नॉट अ ड्रामा सोसाइटी। यू नो, प्लीज let the weight of being the foreign minister and prime minister of Pakistan be felt. We saw what happened from the other side in the first 2 days of budget. Clearly, nobody thinks they are representing the state of Pakistan. They all think it was, you know, tablon pe chad ke, hullarbazi karke, that is, because that's Murad Khan. No, that's not Murad Khan. That is a minister who's a cabinet member who's representing the state of Pakistan. Mr. Chairman, फिर आप इनकी ये वाली जो issue है about what is currently happening in Afghanistan. How many times has this house been taken into confidence? हम Foreign Relations Committee में बैठते हैं और हमने 10वीं दफा जी, I'm just going to talk about these two. हमने 10वीं दफा कहा है कि Foreign Relations Committee में एटलीस्ट आप हमें ब्रीफ कर दें कि अफगानिस्तान में जो सिचुएशन है वो आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो गई। कल लाहौर में धमाका हुआ, आपने शायद ये खबर भी देखी होगी कि TTP तहरीक-ए-तालिबान पाकिस्तान ने अपने शैडो गवर्नर्स दोबारा अपॉइंट कर दिए हैं। आपने शायद ये खबर भी देखी होगी कि अफगानिस्तान में तालिबान ने ताजिकिस्तान अफगानिस्तान का बॉर्डर कंट्रोल में ले लिया है। आपने शायद ये खबर भी देखी होगी कि तकरीबन सारे नॉर्दर्न प्रोविंसेस के बॉर्डर्स पे अफगान तालिबान टेक ओवर पहुंच चुके हैं और कई सेटी सेंटर्स के करीब भी पहुंच गए और कई जगह टेक ओवर कर दें। द असेसमेंट इज एटलीस्ट 50% ऑफ द एरिया इज विद इन देयर कंट्रोल। आपने शायद ये खबर भी देखी होगी वॉल स्ट्रीट जर्नल में कि कल ही के दिन द US intel community has reassessed their assessment of having said that it will take 2 years for the breakdown of the Kabul government and for the Taliban to take over, and said now that they agree with the defense, with the Pentagon's assessment, which is for 3 to 6 months, or maximum 6 to 9 months. Now, should that not raise alarm bells for a country which shares a 2,600-kilometer border with that country? Should that not raise alarm bells for a country which has seen the spillover from Afghanistan come through the border into Pakistan and killed our children? Should we forget APS, Mr. Chairman? Should we have this short-term memory amnesia and happily forget everything that happened in this country and refuse to learn?
Please wind up, please.
Mr. Chairman, I'm sorry, but on this floor, why am I digressing a little bit from the budget? Simply because we never get a chance to talk about foreign policy or what is happening around and the security situation of this country. And फिर हम कहते हैं ये ऐवान की बालादस्ती, ये इस नोशन को तो खत्म कर दें। ये बजट आपने बनाया, I mean honestly speaking, ये उन लोगों ने बनाया जो 2002 में भी सेक्रेटरी थे, आज भी सेक्रेटरी हैं। ये बजट आप अप्रूव कर रहे हैं। मैं यहाँ पे मिस्टर चेयरमैन, ये तो मेरा आपसे सवाल होना चाहिए ना, या स्पीकर साहब से। मैं जब यहाँ पे 2 दिन के वो मैं उसको दहशतगर्दी शायद कह सकती हूँ, के बाद आई तो मैंने देखा मेरी सीट पे कोई भी मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स नहीं थे, और कोई भी वो जो हमारी किताबें होती हैं जिनको हम जैसे लोग शायद कभी कभी देख लेते हैं, तो मैंने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट की कि जी मुझे मेरे डॉक्यूमेंट्स आते हैं। उन्होंने कहा ऑर्डर नहीं है, बजट की किताबें जो बजट आपने पास करना है वो आपको पढ़ने की, देखने की या हमें आपकी सीट पे रखने की इजाजत नहीं है। अगर आपको इजाजत चाहिए वो बजट डॉक्यूमेंट जो आपने अप्रूव करना है यहाँ पे पढ़ने की, तो आप सेक्रेटरी साहब से पूछें, क्योंकि वो those are used as tools for what I would consider again terrorism. Mr. Chairman, I want to talk about this one statement that the Prime Minister has made on the nuclear deterrence. And I want to say, okay, Prime Minister, and I want to read you out, and this I will end so you can be a bit patient. I will just end. I want to, okay. So I want to, I can't read it out right now, but I want to perhaps, जो उन्होंने, हाँ, just give me 1 second. जो इमरान खान साहब ने उस पे कहा है, वो पढ़ने से ताल्लुक इसलिए रखता है बिकॉज जिसको फॉरेन पॉलिसी की ABC भी पता हो या ये पता हो कि क्या इम्पैक्ट होता है आपके वर्ड्स कहे हुए. आई वांट टू रीड दिस बिकॉज दिस इन मेनी वेज टू मी शोज हाउ द प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज अनट्यूटर्ड. एंड आई ऑल्सो वांट टू से I stand behind every word that was written in the Washington Post article, apparently written by the Prime Minister. You know why? Because it was not written by the Prime Minister. It was a very sane voice. It was a very clear direction. And that is why the Prime Minister requires tutoring. Because what you say, you also insinuate in foreign policy. Okay, so Imran Khan, doesn't matter. You don't count. The Prime Minister of Pakistan is who counts. So the Imran Khan says, in this interview, I am completely against nuclear arms. Because obviously I want to be the nice boy. I am completely against, we are all against nuclear arms. हम में से कौन है जो nuclear arms के खिलाफ नहीं है? I always have been. We've had 3 wars against India, and ever since we've had a nuclear deterrent, we have had no war between the 2 countries. We have border skirmishes and we've never faced war. Now, as Prime Minister of a country who sat through India's jets coming into Pakistan's territory, he might have mentioned that despite nuclear deterrence, Prime Minister Modi's India sent jets into Pakistan's settled area, Pakistan's territory. However, he goes on to say, the moment there's a settlement in Kashmir, I believe the 2 neighbors will live as civilized people. We will not need to have this nuclear deterrence. Mr. Chairman, if you give me just 1.5 minutes, I want to explain this whole concept of nuclear deterrence for the Prime Minister to say we will not need to have nuclear deterrence. Now, do we want a nuclear-free South Asia? 100%. The state of Pakistan wants a nuclear-free South Asia. But with a nuclearized Modi India, जिससे Prime Minister हमें फलसफे और भाषण, RSS के ऊपर, उनके हिंदुत्व के ऊपर देते आए हैं. With a Hindutva-oriented Modi government, which crossed Pakistan's territorial borders to send its jets for an adventure that will get him his election. With that type of a government, can the Prime Minister of Pakistan refer to or allude to a nuclear, Pakistan unilaterally giving it up? There's a difference. अगर आपने nuclear free South Asia करना है, आप negotiate करते हैं. आप कहते हैं हम ये statement देंगे, आप वो statement देंगे. Mr. Chairman, I'm completely winding up. I just want to say कि शायद प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान को भूल गया है एक फेमस स्टेटमेंट जिसमें कहा था, वी विल ईट ग्रास बट वी विल गेट आवर प्रोटेक्शन. इस फॉर्म में ईट ग्रास किया है मिस्टर चेयरमैन.
थैंक यू जी, वाइंड अप करें.
द प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ पाकिस्तान हैज नो राइट टू represent those things which he knows little about, and certainly not the sacrifices of the people of Pakistan, of the soldiers of Pakistan, and people who have actually eaten grass to get the protection that he is gloating over, but will never have the ability to earn it.
Thank you.